We pride ourselves on our consistent quality, day in, day out, season to season, variety to variety on our business. Our customers look for us to deliver a high-end quality product as well as excellent service, meeting their demands on a day-to-day basis. My name is Tim Sabado. I'm president of Prima Frutta Packing. We source fresh cherries up and down the valley here in California, starting usually in late April and finishing in mid-June. We can't do our business without technology and information. We are obsessed with data, and we're obsessed with getting the best technology in the world. My goals in investing in LUCai: one, we wanted to become more accurate. Two, we wanted to simplify the system for our operators. And three, we wanted to be able to detect some defects that in our traditional mapping system was more difficult. LUCai has met our expectations quite well. We are developing as we go. It's an evolving process, or we're in the process of teaching it. Powdery mildew defects, insect bites, fresh water cracks that we've had after rain, things that were very difficult to pick up on our traditional mapping systems. The LUCai, through training, has seemed to be able to get these type of specialized defects more effectively. One of the big advantages of LUCai versus what I call our mapping system is that it's just a much simpler system for our operator. Once you teach the system certain types of specific defects, we can target those defects more effectively and more accurately. I think that's one of the big things, is the accuracy of the LUCai system is far better than our traditional system. The new user interface software that we have installed this year with TOMRA is a big improvement for LUCai as well as our traditional systems, in fact. So it's a simple system. It allows us to make changes, and it gives us accurate data on how that change is going to impact our grading before we apply the change. So the operator can do things with much more confidence as well as quickly. He doesn't have to do a lot of sampling, to do a lot of testing before he can apply a change, because he gets the data immediately. And in the cherry world, when you're running 40,000 cherries a minute, you just don't have a lot of time to sample. So that immediate feedback in our new software system is quite an improvement. As we've developed LUCai, and LUCai is learning more and more each and every day, one of the things we've done is we continue with our same labor force, but we've increased our production. So we're running more tons per hour with the same labor force, allowing us to keep up with the cherry harvest, which is quite compact in California, while also continue with our quality that we expect in our brands. One of the nice advantages of LUCai is that when we depend on electronic sorting to do all the heavy lifting, the amount of errors in terms of the good and the bad has been dramatically reduced. We feel that our partnership with TOMRA is on solid ground. It's a worldwide sorting company that has the resources to continually to invest in R&D, to develop better technology and better information systems that help us get better at what we do. We've had, for the last couple of years, been pushing TOMRA Foods to move into the artificial intelligence world. And when they came and presented us this opportunity, it was not only exciting to develop our technology, but it was also good to hear and see that they were listening to our input, and by presenting developing the AI. We feel like the process has been smooth, but more importantly, we're still engaging in making it get better. That's the real key, is not just how you start, but how you continue and how you finish. And so we're in the process of teaching every day. You find a new problem in the cherry business. It's really exciting to see how the system's going to evolve. I think we've just scratched the surface. I think there's a lot more ahead of us. They're our partner. We continuously try to get better together. As we move into the future, we clearly realize as a company that we all have to keep getting better. The expectations keep going up. Everybody expects a better product delivered on time without any excuses. TOMRA Foods technology will help us meet those demands.